Up next is another fallacy that you've probably heard of before, or at the very least, if you haven't heard of it, you've at least heard an example of it before. And that's the ad hominem, or against the man. And this is when we attack the other person rather than dealing with the issue that they are talking about. So, for example, rather than making up an argument or coming up with an argument that refutes the argument that your opponent is making, instead you just call them stupid. And that's the end of the conversation, right? You don't actually talk about the topic that's at hand, but rather you attack the other person and call them stupid, or tell them, or say that they don't know what they're talking about, or any other kind of attack that is meant to discredit the other person, to take down their argument that way, rather than taking down their argument with logic and evidence. And we see this a lot in our society, particularly in the realm of politics. People are always calling their opponents unknowing or stupid, or not really attacking the actual policy, but rather attacking the person who is discussing that policy. So that's the ad hominem, when we attack the person rather than their argument.